At Russia's Plesetsk Cosmodrome, a Soyuz 2.1A launch vehicle is moved from its assembly building to the launch pad. Carried horizontally by rail, the rocket follows a procedure that has defined Soyuz operations for decades: slow rollout, careful positioning, and final erection into the vertical launch position. The Soyuz 2.1A is part of the Soyuz 2 family, a modernized version of one of the most recognizable rocket lineages in spaceflight history. Once at the pad, support towers close around the vehicle, giving crews access for final checks, fueling preparations, and launch system testing. Plesetsk, located in northern Russia's Arkhangelsk region, remains one of the country's most important launch sites, especially for military and government spacecraft. This rollout marks one of the final visible steps before launch, the moment when engineering, logistics, and mission planning converge on the pad.